What's up guys, today I got right here $200 mystery box, subscription box, Going Gear Outdoor Adventure, high-end items like knives and EDC gadgets. This costs $200 a month to subscribe, and the worth net we will get like $250-300 worth of stuff. So let's take it out and see what we get in here. Okay, first of all, we got right here the cheaper item, and there's a little note what we're going to get. This is a financial tool, so like a little looks like bottle opener, screwdrivers, everyday carry, wallet, multi-tool. Then there's stickers. Okay, let's keep on going. Ooh, I feel something really big in here. I'm curious. Ooh, I think I recognize the brand. Is it Bestech Knives? Yeah, this is a really good knife brand. Simply the best. Bestech. Okay, there's a model number and the other stuff. Let's open it up, see what's inside. Okay, there's a pouch. So high quality knife right here. We'll look it up the value of it. There's stickers. There's a manual. Ooh, I like it. That's a good one. Looks like America handle. Let's see. Okay, let's flick it. Ooh, it's tight. Whoa, look at that blade. This is nice. This is probably at least $180 knife. Let's see. Yep, no, $270 knife. Wow. Today is the deal. And if you look it up, it'll be really easy to look it up and see what Blade HQ and such dealers would charge you. Looks like for me the easiest to open it is this way, kind of spider flick, like a spider core Bestech. What is this? Ooh, L-Max steel, blade steel, most likely titanium, 4 ounces. There's explanation about the knife. That's awesome. I like it. This is high-end, high-quality knife. Check this out. Boom. And comes with all this like stuff in there. Okay, I'm really excited about that. $270 knife. And wow, that's it. 3 things, but we got $300 worth of stuff. Actually, let's see. $12, $110, and $280. This is a standard, so $121, $22. But we got the premium box for $200. Let's say we paid, and this is like $300, almost $400 worth of stuff in one box. Amazing. And what kind of flashlight that is? X3, beautiful. Let's open it, see what's inside. Okay. Oh, no way. I just reviewed that model recently. This is a really awesome model. This is spinnable, what do you call it? Front. And there's a display and everything. Let's turn it on. It's locked. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's different lumens. Person hold 50 lumens. 50, 150, and double click 700 lumens. And is there? Oh, there's magnets, and we can turn it on the light this way. That's it. Amazing flashlight. I really like that one a lot. And looks like wireless charging. Beautiful. I just reviewed that one recently, so that is so cool. Now I have to. Let's double check how much this knife sells for online on the dealers and stuff websites. So on eBay, this knife is actually $293 plus tax and everything. And they say we actually would save $100, so like $400 knife. But it might be a little bit different. But this exact model number, this is $280 available, and it used to be MSRP $329. So that is an amazing value box today. And there's a white mountain knife, and they sold out for $280. They completely sold out. So, and it used to be $330 and it sold out of $280. Amazing value. We just got this for $200 and that's pretty much free right here. So if you're wondering, is it worth subscribing to this mystery box? Absolutely. So I'll put links in the description. Let me know in comments below what do you think. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.